Hello everybody, this is Dr. Rupinder Kaur, your Image and Soft Skills coach. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to discuss some quick tips of how to look stylish all the time. How to look stylish, first tip is work on your capsule wardrobe. Look for your wardrobe, have more clothes which you wear inside your wardrobes, and there are no clothes which you don't wear. So wardrobe management comes in the picture. So this is first step. Second tip is make sure your clothes fit perfectly. Whatever clothes you wear, it fits you perfectly. It should not be loose, it should not be tight. They are perfectly alright for your fit. Then third step is learn how to balance proportions. That means you should know the proportions. Normally, when you wear a cloth and you know the best fit, it is, if you see the models also, if you see the modeling part also, people normally wear with the ratio of 1:2 or 1:3. So that your upper torso, the measure of your upper torso is 1 and the lower torso is the 2. Then you look longer, you don't look shorter, and longer looks always give you a better impact. So proportions, right scaling is very important part. Then it comes to find your personal style. Looking at your personal style, what exactly you want to be getting ready into, how you look like, what exactly you like from your inner side, and then choose the clothes accordingly. Next tip, which is become a better shopper. Better shopper, look for only those clothes which you really want to buy. You should always a short shopping list ready in your bag. What is not in your wardrobe and you want to buy, what outfit, what accessories you want to buy, or maybe you want to buy a belt. So sixth tip is add a belt. Belt is something which gives you a proportion. 1:2, 1:3, the scaling of your ratio, woman or men, anybody. When you have to look taller with the proportions, you can always add a belt and that gives a beautiful finishing in your overall scales. Great, so seventh tip is play with colors. Try and mix match with the colors because color plays a very important role in your life. Maybe you're in complete black outlook and then outfit, and you want to add on a red color scarf or a flower or a brooch or anything. When you add on some colors, it gives a beautiful overall image to you. Great. So next is eighth, mix pattern and textures. You can always wear something if you have more of neutral colors in your wardrobe and you want to add on something which gives you another edge over the same. It gives a beautiful image overall. So these were the 8 quick tips to look stylish all the time. We'll come up with new videos soon. Till then, you can follow my channel. You can subscribe, you can like, comment, and we'll come up with new videos. In case you have any suggestion, what kind of a videos you're looking at, you can drop in a comment. We'll come up with new video according to that. Till then, this is RK Image and Soft Skills Coach. See you then. Take care. Bye-bye.